Hello and welcome back. Let's see the solution to weather observation station 7. Query the list of city names ending with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U from a station. The result cannot contain duplicates. In the previous video, we saw how to filter the city names that start with a vowel letter. We saw the substring method and the lower and the upper method. To get the first letter of city names, we could say select substring of city. The starting position, we want to start from the first letter, and the length of the substring, we want to just extract only one letter from each city name from station. So this is going to print only the first letter of the city names. To extract the last letter or the last character of the city names, we can pass a -1 as the starting position. Here we pass +1, but if we pass -1, it's going to tell the SQL to count backwards from the end of the string. So it's going to extract the first letter from the end of the string. Let's run the code. So these are the last letters of the city names. So we're going to check if these last letters are a vowel letter or not. So for that, we also have to select the distinct city names. For that, we can use the distinct keyword, distinct city from station, where the last letter of each city is in. We're going to remove this from. The last letter of each city is in the vowel letters A. Let's use the lowercase this time, since the end letters are all lowercase. So we're going to use A, E, I, O, and U. So just to be safe, once we extracted the last letter of each city name, we are going to change it to lower also, just in case if any city name ends with an uppercase letter. We first change it to lower, then we'll check if this letter is in these lowercase vowel letters. Let's run the code. There is an error. Select distinct city from station where lower the last letter and A, E, I, O, U. Run the code. Yeah, it's accepted, and let's submit it. It passes the test cases. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.